Hi there, welcome to our latest Minimizer video blog. I'm Caleb Ostrander. Many people may not know that we actually use robotic automation in our manufacturing facility. The robots are responsible for trimming the excess material that's created once the fenders and floor mats are thermoformed. It's actually a pretty cool process. Check it out. Once the machines are done producing the molded fenders and floor mats, it takes a couple minutes for a robot to trim a fender, but believe it or not, just 45 seconds for a robot to trim a floor mat. Now, one robot can trim about 180 fenders in a day. It travels approximately 29 feet or so every time it trims a fender. And since we have 6 robots dedicated to trimming fenders, you're looking at a total distance between the 6 robots of close to 6 miles every single day. That's pretty cool. We got our first robot back in 2005, so we've had them nearly 15 years now. And not only do they trim the excess material on the fenders and floor mats, but they do the same thing for our maintenance line, the workbenches and the tool caddies. By the way, all that excess material is recycled. And that's a look at this week's video blog. I'll see you back here next time.